the quiet section of the bookstore. Sorry, bookstore lady. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the episode 8 of the Thankful Box. Can you hear me? No? You know, if I have to talk like this the whole time, no one's gonna hear me. So I'm just gonna go tell the bookstore lady that this is the Thankful Box show and I have to talk louder. I'll be right back. Excuse me, bookstore lady. Hi. Hello. I'm doing a show called The Thankful Box, and it's really hard to whisper. So, I was wondering if maybe I could just talk a little bit loud until I'm done. Well, if you want to talk loudly, you'll have to go to the loud section of the bookstore. The loud section? Yes. Where is that? That way. Okay, thank you. Come on, we gotta go to the loud section. It's too loud. Hi, bookstore lady. It's me again. That loud section was really loud. Is there maybe a section that's a little quieter? Yes, it's that way. Okay, thank you. Come on, we're gonna go to the normal talking section of the bookstore. Okay, well, we are in the normal talking section of the bookstore. So I'm going to take off my mask because I'm the only one here. And I'm going to put it inside my thankful box because I am thankful for my mask. It keeps me safe and it also keeps you safe. Well, it's time to talk about the special guest. Today's special guest is Maya Claros. She is the owner of The Dope Kid. The Dope Kid is a curated children's bookstore specializing in all things kid hip-hop. All kinds of hip-hop stuff for kids. And not just books, but music and clothing also. So now, we're going to say hi to Maya, and she's going to tell us what she's thankful for. Hi,
Maya! Hi, Kimberly.
Hi, Kimberly. This is our thankful box. And we're going to open it up.
Take the things that we like most out.
Okay. And what did you put in the box?
My favorite book. The Babysitter's Club. Christy's Big Day. Her mom is getting married to a new husband.
Oh, okay. Can you show her the book?
Oh, and a pretty dress. Where is that thing?
Amazing. Good job. You're thankful for the book? And I put a picture of my family.
Does that have Guyene in it?
It does. My husband and 3 little kids.
We were at the aquarium.
Yeah.
That's where you get those picture backgrounds.
We went to the aquarium. This is a picture of us at the aquarium. They are what I am most thankful for. Bye, Kimberly. Say bye.
Bye, Kimberly.
Bye.
Wow, that was so nice. Thank you, Maya and Maya's daughter. I remember the Babysitter's Club. I used to read the books too. I really liked them. What kind of books do you like to read? Do you have a favorite book? Well, everyone, that is the end of our episode today. If you want to know more about Maya, you can visit her website at www.thedopekid.com. And you can follow her on Instagram at thedopekidfest. All right, everyone. Well, I hope you had fun and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, if you haven't made a thankful box, there's still time. It doesn't need to be anything fancy, just a simple box. You can decorate it yourself. And the most important box, this heart right here. This beating heart. Well, I think I'm going to go now, and I'll see you on the next episode. So, I'm going to put my mask back on, and I'm going to be quiet because I have to go back through the quiet section of the bookstore. So.